All right, look, so I want to show you a real quick helpful tool, and this tool is called unroll.me. Unroll me. And what this tool is going to do is it's going to help you unsubscribe from a bunch of junk email and subscriptions that you don't want associated with your email inbox. Like I was helping my son sign up for like a PlayStation account, and I logged into his email account, and he had all these emails that I know he absolutely does not need. With me, like email, my inbox, I'm an email zero person, so like I like my stuff clear. Pretty much I address everything. This is my email address, right? So if I go back over to unroll.me, I just go over here. I'll put a link in the description. You come here, you get started, and you sign in. They'll make you do an account. You can sign in with Google, Facebook, whatever it is, and once you sign in, you're in the account, and you just need to unsubscribe. So um you know I'm playing around in the inbox, and what I'm going to do is love being organized. I'm going to unsubscribe from these different emails that I'm being sent. So you can see here, um, I can press unsubscribe, and it up here I get a notification that it automatically unsubscribe me. Another one, unsubscribe. So you see how quickly you can easily clear your inbox from those pesky subscriptions by just coming in here and clicking unsubscribe. And it's sorted in alphabetical order, but just quickly, I'm utilizing this tool, and it unsubscribed me from all of those email uh, subscriptions that I was on. So it reads the AI, and here you go. If I come in here, it shows me everything that I was subscribed to, and I am now subscribed. So that's really quickly how to clean your inbox of all those email subscriptions. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next video.